girls, I thought it might be fun to show you Farmer Dan's ducks. This is a story by Natalie De La Rosa and illustrated by Eric Brooks. It's a cute story about Farmer Dan and the ducks. So I'm going to let you read it first, and then if you want to hang around after, I'll read it to you. So if you feel like I'm going too fast, you can always pause the book and finish at your own pace. And then if you want to stick around, I'll read it to you. All right. Farmer Dan's Ducks by Natalie De La Rosa, illustrated by Eric Brooks. All right, what'd you think of that story? Pretty cute, right? All right, if you'd like, I'll read it to you now, okay? Here we go. Farmer Dan's Ducks by Natalie De La Rosa, illustrated by Eric Brooks. Farmer Dan's Ducks. Farmer Dan looked for his 2 ducks. He looked and looked, but he did not see them. Farmer Dan saw the cows. "Have you seen my ducks?" said Farmer Dan. "No," said the cows. Farmer Dan saw his hens. He said, "Have you seen my 2 ducks?" "No," said the hens. Farmer Dan saw his horses. He said, "Have you seen my ducks?" The horses said no. Farmer Dan saw his pigs. "Have you seen my 2 ducks?" he said. "No," the pigs said. Farmer Dan saw the sheep. He said, "Have you seen my ducks?" "Yes," said the sheep. "Look in the grass," said the sheep. Farmer Dan looked in the grass. He did not see 2 ducks. He saw ducks and ducks and ducks. There you see the end. So what was happening in this story? Seems like Farmer Dan was looking for 2 ducks and he was asking all the other animals on the farm. And what happened at the end? What do you think? All right, I hope you like this story. I think it was a good one. And keep reading. I'll see you soon.